So let's now use ChatGPT to give us an outline based on this list of keywords it generated in the first step. Now, to generate this outline, I'll use this prompt here. Based on this list and the previous messages, so simply the previous messages we already sent to ChatGPT and we got back from ChatGPT, create an outline for such a blog post. The blog post should take into account that the target audience may be afraid of new AI technologies and tends to treat those technologies as magic. So here I'm performing some emotional prompting in the end. I'm making ChatGPT aware of certain emotions that might exist in the audience that reads the article, and of course those emotions should be taken into account in the article, but also already in the outline, which is why I'm mentioning it here. Now, of course, I could also again use the ask before answering technique here if I wanted to, but since I did that before to get this list of keywords, I don't think it's too important here for getting an outline that's based on that list. Also, please note that in the end, we're of course using the laddering technique here because we're splitting this complex problem of planning and writing this blog post into multiple steps, with a separate step for planning the keywords, then a step where we plan the outline or where we get the outline, and then another step where we will write the actual article. So with that, I'll send this message here to ChatGPT, and with that it indeed gives me a title here and then the outline, one possible outline for this list of keywords and for this article. And as you can see here in the outline it's generating for me, it's for example already including a point that is about demystifying the magic behind ChatGPT, which picks up this emotion or this context here, which I added to my message. So that's great. Let's see what else it gives us here. Here we go. That's the finished outline. Quite detailed and long. Looks good to me though. And of course, we could now take that outline and again improve or change it. We could tell ChatGPT to change it, to remove certain points, to improve or edit certain points. We could do all of that, but here I'm actually happy with that outline as it is. And therefore, as a next step, I indeed want to go ahead and let ChatGPT write that blog post.